Welcome to my channel. I'm sure you all would have subscribed my channel and might have even asked your friends and family members to subscribe this channel. Today, a very interesting topic. See, till now we have taken a various types of topic. आज थोड़ा सा हटके हम लेते हैं. Now the family have become nuclear families. Mostly, hardly we see the joint family system. But wherever there is a joint family system, I think they are very happy. Very happy because there are someone who can guide them, who can show them the way, and even take care of the children, that is, grandchildren. But if you realize, even they have their own problems. I'm doing counseling on the phone, and due to that, I came across many cases who were above 60, that is, senior citizens, of course. Mainly, the problem was solitude, loneliness, akelapan, whatever you say. I thought it very deeply, and I found that sometimes we are not ready to accept that we are senior citizen. Whole life, whole youth, you are working very hard so that you can take care of your family, you can enjoy your life, you can satisfy needs of your children, wife and family and so on. But once you are retired, it gives a break to the life which was hectic till now for you. So friends, first I want to tell you that when you have worked so hard, the God has given a various periods in the life, and this is the most golden period after working hard. Childhood is a golden period, and aged, I don't want to say aged, sorry, but the people who are senior citizen is a golden period. The mid period is just working. So you should know how to enjoy this period. Whatever you have not done, see, you have to sacrifice a lot. But when you're retired, you have ample of time. You can do whatever you wanted to do, and you were not able to do because of the circumstances or many other things and so on. So I just want to tell you that enjoy this period. This period is the golden period, the best period. Never feel that I'm not doing anything. See, you have done so much in the life. Now there is a shift of the period. Enjoy that shifting. Now there is a question, how to enjoy it? Because still you are not having any direction. You are full of complaints. Complaints that the children are not giving us enough time. But think once, when you were doing hard work, how much time you could have spent with your parents and children. It's very difficult to balance it. Secondly, if you are not directed in a proper way, you have all the negative thoughts, because there is nothing, and always we say that empty head is nothing but a demon. All the negative ideas come into your mind. Nobody's taking care. This is like this one is like this. Oh, I am feeling very painful. Actually, there is no pain. But there is a pain of loneliness. So today we are going to discuss how how can we make our golden period in such a way that before passing out, we enjoy our life, we are satisfied with our life, and that will be a memorable time for us. So I think after 50 only, a person has to be very careful about the health. I am myself very fat, but I know how to be active. I mean, you're healthy means to be active, to be without disease. No, that is a superficial thing, but the minimum disease. Be healthy. Now give time to yourself, your body first. I always say that first is body, then mind, and then soul. First, you give time to your body. You can't do very exercise which is very vigorous, but at least you can go for a walk. At least you can do a little exercise which is not harmful to you. It will keep you fit. It will make your mind happy. Because you know all these things that blood circulation and digestion and all these problems will be less. This is the first thing I suggest. Second thing, what we should do for body is having nutritious and healthy diet. But I myself experience that sometimes we feel that, oh, we have sacrificed so much, let me enjoy my life, eat everything, whatever it is going to happen is going to happen. Yeah, it's going to happen. But I think that we should be careful in eating. I don't say that don't eat any thing which is not healthy, but I say eat those things minimum. So if you eat such things, you are satisfied and you eating nutritions. That is the way you help your health also and your mind satisfaction also. Third thing, I think that we all need fresh air in the city life. We don't have enough fresh air. Go to the garden just for 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, but you feel so nice. If you can't go to garden, go to the terrace. A very simple thing. But you observe the sky. You observe the natural beauty and you feel refreshed. That loneliness is not loneliness, you are with the nature, and nature is the best friend. All these years you might have been busy, not able to do something for your family or well wishers. Now, this is the time. Offer your gratitude to the well wishers or family members or family friends who were helpful to you. Just go and visit or just have a talk with them on the phone. That will make you also energetic because all the memories will be refreshed. These memories are the precious things in the life because it gives joy, happiness. Next, I feel, see, we have already discussed three things till now. First is yoga or exercise. Second is nutrition, food. Third is well wishers to visit or to talk on the phone. Now we go for the fourth. Yeah, sorry, fourth was the terrace or the garden also. Now we go for the fifth is go and join some social group. Social group, there are many groups nowadays. Senior citizen group and community group and so many. You can join where you can have fun, you can share your things with so many people of your age and can have a very good time. Now, next or the sixth one, according to me, is society has given so much to us. Now it is time for us to give something to the society. You can go and visit orphanage, old age home, spend little time with them. You go to orphanage, give little food or whatever you can. You see, the smile on their faces will make your day. You are giving shining to someone's face and which reflects on your face. This is the best thing we can do. The next, according to me, is to be a creative. Now, here, what do you mean by creative? Is whatever patience you had when you were young or when you were a child, maybe storytelling or reading books or painting or many things are there which you wanted to do. Maybe carom playing, maybe cards playing, anything. Just do it. You'll remember your childhood. You will again go back to the years. And I know as a human being, we always love past more than present. Next is freelancing. See, this is a digital world. Social networking is so fast and quick. You can help the people with your knowledge, with your experience through these social medias. Even I started now. Whatever experience, whatever things I have, let me share with someone. Maybe it may be helpful to someone, may change their life. It doesn't cost me anything, but of course it gives satisfaction. It gives us a soothing effect that, okay, somebody is there who is going to remember me. That is the thing we want. If you go through the social media, you find many people, senior citizens, whatever knowledge you have, whatever profession you are doing, that knowledge you can give to the youngsters or to the beginners, and that will be very helpful to them. Whatever you do, whatever you feel that is going to make you happy, do it. But you can't expect that everyone will be near me the whole time because everybody has their life. We have lived the life. Now we are at the peaceful stage of the life, but others are not. We should always remember it. We should not forget that this is a time to relax, to help someone. You can help your family members in whatever way. You can say go to the market or do anything like that, or you take care of your grandchildren. See, that's also a very good thing. When you see your childhood, you enjoy with them. Whatever gives you joy, fun, you can do. Even see TV. It's not bad. If it is something which you enjoy, it's okay. So, friends of my age, I think that this is a life which we dreamt the whole life. After my 50, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. So many plans we had made. Let those plans come into action. You can share your ideas with some friend or someone whom you can trust. And maybe if they are very far or maybe it's not available or something like that, the best thing is put your feelings into a diary. I always tell from the beginning that diary is the best friend because it's not going to give you any hurt. Whatever feelings are there, you can put in the diary. And after a few days, you read your own diary, you feel, "Arey, so foolish I was. Why I have written like this?" See, that will make you realize that everything is fine in my life. Why I'm grumbling? What is making me to grumble? So, friends, really, life is enjoyable. Last thing, as we said, is first we took body, then we took mind, and now is last is soul. We believe or we don't believe, but death is inevitable. And I think that we get more peace when we are with nature or with God. Go every day to temple if it is possible for you physically, or you can do at home also. If it is possible, once in a year, go and visit the temples which you wanted to visit or the places which you wanted to visit. This will make your soul also to elevate. So I feel this is our time. Time to put our body, mind, soul in an elevation period. Whatever we have missed, we have sacrificed, now we are going to do it. So, friends, remain healthy, always remain happy. I am sure you would have liked my video. If you like my video, please give like, please give comments, and please ask your friends and family members also to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.